What's up, you all? I am back with another video, and today, let me start that over. What's up, you all? I am back with another video, and today I'm here to answer questions that someone had for me. Well, a question that someone had for me, and I couldn't really just put it in the comments or answer it through the comments, so I'd rather show you than actually putting it in the comments and trying to explain it to you. I'd rather explain it to you this way so I can ensure that you understand and that you get it. So the question that I was asked, don't know who or can't remember who asked it, but I posted a video on how to make a circle using the Cricut machine. And the video that I posted, it was a while ago, but I actually posted using a computer or a laptop. So they wanted to know, how do you make that full circle using a phone? So I did record a video of me actually making a circle using the phone. I did also provide extra additional tips just in case, because it can get confusing. So I did want to make sure that everyone understands it. So I'm going to show you how you can also mess up with trying to make a circle using the phone. So this video right here is the video you need to be looking at if you're trying to make a circle using a phone. This video is going to explain it all. This video is going to help you understand how to make a circle using your Cricut machine. After watching this video, you will not have to go and look at any other video, because it's going to explain it in detail. And if you have any questions, any comments, or anything you need to say or ask, please feel free to ask in the comments down below. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, pause right here before we get into the steps. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And once this video is done and you have gotten what you needed, make sure you comment down below, "Thank you." And that's all I need from you. And let's get into it. Let's go ahead and open up your Cricut app. And let's start with a blank canvas. As you know, your previous project does pop up. You can select replace it, so you can start off with a new project. Once you replace it, open up your text box, and you can start typing in whatever you want your saying to say. I thought about selecting "I love you," but I wanted to put the love heart in there. And then I figured that, for one, the heart wouldn't come in. It gave me a question mark. And then for two, I started thinking that you would not be able to use the heart because it does change the layout of what you wanted to say. So I decided not to go with a heart and to just type in "I love you," as you will see. As you do see that the heart and the eye is separate. So that's why I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to make this video more complicated than it needed to be. So I thought about it, and I was going through with the process, and then I said no. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start typing in the text again. And this time just only text. So we are just going to type in "I love you." Okay, I didn't want it to be on 3 separate lines or 2 separate lines. I wanted all the words to be on one line. So I kind of struggled with trying to make it get on that for you all. I do know how to navigate it if it was on this, but I was trying to make it as easy as possible and not have to show y'all if it did that or, did this. But at the same time, you do need to see where it could mess up, so you won't have to go through that. And if you do go through that, you will know how to fix it. So it's going to do it several times. It's going to try to put all of my words on separate lines, which I didn't want. I wanted it all to go on one single line, but it didn't happen on this text. So I will show you all how to fix it in order to do so. So I'm going to go ahead and just stop this recording here, and then I'm going to go ahead and just let it play, and then you can watch me play with it and see how I figured it out if you want to, but I don't feel like I have to say anything more for this part. Okay, so I typed in "I love you" 3 times, and as you can see, I moved it over to the corner because I do want to start stretching out the text. So once you start stretching out the text, it's going to make the lines move into one line, and that is what you will see me doing here. And I also made the lines, the text smaller, the size smaller, so I can see it all at once and I can move it all at once as well. But once you get it the way that you want it, you can always go back up on your size so that it will fit the entire screen. But for video purposes, I wanted you all to see everything that I was doing, so I wanted to make the text smaller so it can fit in one screen. So that is what you're looking at now. You can see all my words in one screen. And I am just moving it around, trying to make it one line. That's what I'm doing here. Okay, y'all, so right here, what you see me doing is trying to see if I can just change the text into a curve. But as you can see where it say AB curve, it is like grayed out, meaning that you cannot use it. So the reason it is not allowing me to use it is because my text is on 2 lines rather than 1. So I did delete some of the text, so I won't have to be going back and forth trying to make everything on 1 line, and go ahead and give y'all give y'all what you are looking for. So I put everything on 1 line, and as you can see that the text, the curve, AB curve, did turn white, and I was able to go in and make that circle. And that's your full circle there. And then I was wondering why my text didn't work, so I decided that I was going to do it again so y'all can have a simple walkthrough without all of the confusion as well. So here's my text box. I'm going to bring up another text box. Okay, there's the text box, and then I just wrote in, here you go. Now this one is going all across the screen. I wrote here you go like 2 or 3 times. And as you can see, all of the words are on one line, which makes it a lot easier than it being on 2 separate lines. I did try to make it smaller so you all can see it again. I guess I couldn't make it too small, but as you can see, all the text is on one line. And then once I go over to the curve, and the curve is basically on your home screen. You don't have to look. Once you type in that text, it's on that home screen. You just need to slide the top bar over because it's on the top row on the home screen. So as y'all can see, I was looking at the bottom, but it's not on the bottom. It's at the top. And then it is also not where I was at. I got out for the home screen somehow. I don't know. But I brought it back up. And as you can see, AB curve is white. So I went on ahead and put the text in there, and I'm curving it. If you curve upwards, your letters are going to be upside down. So you want to curve going down versus up. You see the difference? It's up to you, though. You curve down or up. I like to curve down. So those are your 2 curves. I did it the easy way, and I showed y'all the hard way where I was having a lot of problems. And this one, I was just doing something. So I did type in time is money. And I don't know how I put a I and not a O. Don't know what I was thinking. But as y'all can see, I put a I. I don't know if I was thinking about Minnie Mouse or what. But yeah, I did that. But I hope you all like this video. I noticed that I did spell money wrong. Like I said, I don't know how I put an I and not an O. So I did correct that. I have no, I don't know why I put it in there twice, but we go find out. Oh, I was trying to show y'all that if it's on 2 lines, it don't have the curve. So it's blanked out, it's grayed out if it's on 2 lines. And that's what I was trying to show y'all, the difference. Just the easier, quick way. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you all liked the video. I hope it gave you what you were looking for. Make sure you all subscribe to my channel. And I'm just messing with the screen. So if y'all want to continue to watch, please do so. I'm just showing you other mess ups. Have a good day. Bye. Till next time.